Hi, my name is Michael. I live in Canada, by the way. This is an incident that happened a long time ago, 2 years ago. I didn't have a lot of friends at that time. I usually played video games. When I went to check my mail, I took out all my things and then I saw a game, disc saying kill switch. I took the game inside and put it in my computer to play it, and I said, maybe it's the wrong package? I don't know. I played it and it was a point and click game. Everything was normal then when I heard something in the background. It sounded like somebody calling for help or something like that. I noticed that the game had good graphics. I was amazed with this game. But then this happened. I thought I saw something that was running. I thought it was just a bird or some kind of animal in the game. Then I could heard like an evil voice. I was quite confused to hear that. Then I stopped playing. But then I saw somebody in my window covered all in black looking at me. I live near the forest and he was in the forest. I didn't know why he was doing that. I thought to myself, maybe it's just a prank or something to scare me. I really was scared to play the game again, but I had to. I started playing. The game started doing weird kinds of things. Like when I controlled my character, he wouldn't move. Then my character looked at me. He took some kind of sharp object and threw it at me. And the next thing I know, I woke up in the hospital. And the doctor said that you were knocked out for some reason. One of my neighbors saw your body in sleeping with some kind of sharp object in your cheek. It's a miracle you survived. I destroyed the disc after that. I've been there, but every time I can't be safe anymore. There's this black person with everything wearing black following me. I feel like he's gonna kill me. If you find a copy of Kill Switch or something like that, please don't play it. And if you find the developers who created this game, please tell me. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.